Here comes the garbage truck. First stop, Miss Rabbit's house. Hello.
Look, Mommy, Garbage Man.
The garbage man attaches the bin to the lift. In goes the garbage. Job well done. Goodbye. Next stop, Mr. Fox's house. Looks like the garbage man is distracted by a visitor. Uh-oh. Batteries cannot go in the garbage truck. Oh no! Smoke! Call the fire department!
Ah!
Fire truck to the rescue.
Looks like we got some flames here, guys.
Turn on the water! Job well done.
Hooray! Way to go, fireman!
The truck will need to be towed.
We have a garbage truck that needs removal. Send out the crane.
Crane en route.
Well, looky what we got here. Let me just attach the crane and get you out of here.
All right, let's move this thing.